I'm Bhalchandra Kerkar, General Secretary of Insurance Pension Association Pune. My left side is Mrs. Smita Dume, she is President of the Insurance Pension Association Goa. My right side is Comrade A. Pashako, the General Secretary of Insurance Pension Association Goa. Welcome friends. Insurance Pensioner Association Pune have been trying to build an organization in Goa for last 5-6 years, and as it began to develop, it reached a stage of strength, both in terms of membership and in terms of adequate leadership potential. We then decided that it is time that Insurance Pensioners Association Goa becomes an independent unit of All India Insurance Pensioners Association, Nagpur. In fact, that has been the policy of our All India, that each division should have a unit as far as possible independent to that area, to that divisional area. So Goa is an independent division of LIC and GIC also. So we decided it is time that we make it independent with direct appeal.
That the need everyone realizes once you retire from service, why have a pensioners association? Because pension you get, everyone is under the impression pension remains till you die. One of the aims of this association is to see that along with inflation, our pension also should increase. You must have heard of this OROP for the military services. Similarly, we are one of the objectives of this organization is to see that pensioners also, military services, every the years go by, their pension also is increased so that they can help meet the inflation standards of everyday life. Their pension also is increased. So quite different from other organizations. The inflation standards. The Pensioners Association also fights for one thing which is very required after you retired, that is the medical aid. The Pensioners Association also fights. Fortunately, our pensioners get a medical aid policy. This All India Insurance Pensioners Association is existing in 83 divisions of LIC. 86 divisions of LIC all over the country. And it has a strength of almost 28,000 pensioners all over the country, and it's increasing. For your information, we have filed a case in the Supreme Court. It got adjourned last week. It is on this matter also of similar to OROP, that with every wage revision that the employees in service get, our demand is also that the pensioners also should get some benefit of it.
Our chairman as our member, one R.V. Pradhan and J.R. Joshi. So it begins from top to down. Everyone is equal.
It is a bit difficult, you see, for a managing director to sit next to a sub-staff or a peon level in one organization as one body, but it's classless once you retire, because pension is the same for everyone.